Day in the life of a cloud architect. Cloud architects operate at the intersection of deep technical expertise and strategic thinking. Here's what a typical day actually looks like. The morning often begins with reviewing infrastructure health dashboards. Cloud architects are responsible for the overall design and reliability of cloud environments. If there are cost spikes, performance anomalies, or security alerts, the architect needs to understand why. A significant portion of the day is spent in design work. This means creating architecture diagrams, writing design documents, and making decisions about which cloud services best fit a given workload. These decisions have long-term implications for cost, performance, and maintainability. Collaboration is constant. Cloud architects work with developers, security teams, finance teams, and senior leadership. They translate business requirements into technical designs and explain technical constraints in business language. Reviews and advisory sessions take up a substantial part of the week. Development teams bring their planned approaches to the architect for feedback before building. The architect's role is to catch problems early, before they are expensive to fix. Cloud architects also spend time on research. Cloud platforms release new services and capabilities constantly. Staying current is not optional. It is part of the job. The role requires breadth across compute, networking, storage, security, and databases, combined with depth in at least one or two cloud platforms. It is one of the most intellectually demanding and well-rewarded roles in technology.